Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging and headphone jack board on the Samsung Galaxy A71 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. For removing the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and take out the mainboard frame with the wireless coil by undoing screws. First, undo 9 screws and then gently lift the frame using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and take out the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, undo the screw securing the secondary charging board. Next, disconnect the Touch ID camera, main ribbon flex and LCD flex connectors. Next, disconnect the charging port connection cable from the logic board. Next, take out the secondary charging port board from the body. Be gentle and lift the board. Next, place a new charging port board in the body. Next, secure the screw, Touch ID camera, main flex and LCD plug into the secondary board. Next, secure the charging port cable to the logic board. Next, secure the speaker cover by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place the mainboard frame with the coil to the body. Secure the frame by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided backer adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the backer with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A71 mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.